guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is not Black Friday, but there are announcements. It is exactly 1 week before Thanksgiving, unless you're watching this after this video's gone up, but it's still okay because Black Friday for my patrons starts today and runs all the way through Tuesday after the Cyber Monday, because we have a very fun event on Giving Tuesday, which is the day after Cyber Monday, where we will be going live for 5 hours on Facebook and on YouTube for a craftathon. But in the midst of that 5 hours, we'll be giving away mystery boxes. We'll be selling the last of our mystery boxes, and you guys will still get 25% off those mystery boxes. You guys will get a code on patreon.com/AuntiTay. That code is there. You guys can use that all the way through Tuesday. You're gonna get 25% off the entire site, and you're gonna get 25% off anything that I announce in this video. If you are the general public and you're not a patron, you can become one and also get 25% off right now, or you can wait until Thanksgiving, and from Thanksgiving till Monday, you will get 15% off shopauntiTay.com. So, my goal is to come out with something new for you guys every single month. Last month, well, I guess it was technically this month, we came out with sticker paper packs. Sticker paper that doesn't get jammed in your printer and you can use with Print and Cut. But this month, for Black Friday, we went big. We released 100 patterned HTVs and vinyls for you guys, okay? 100. These will be available all the time. They are printed after you order them, so they take a second longer, like just a second longer to get. We do not do sales typically on shopauntiTay.com. One, because our products are awesome and amazing and they're already priced very well. And two, because our patrons are the only ones who get a discount. So Black Friday will be one of those only times that you will get a sale, and that's because our products are awesome, but we always do that discount for our patrons. And so if you want that permanent 20% off, just become a patron and it'll be worth it. We've got some really amazing products and we are launching tons of new stuff in 2019 and we're very excited. But until then, be thankful. Join us for that. Go shop, have fun. Enjoy our patterns because they're super fun and they're gonna be there forever. All right, I love you guys. Bye.